What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you all our new and improved website design. But first, let's go take a look at our old website. So here you have it. We got the Cells4Phones on it. We had a little slideshow displaying some of our work. And here you could choose to have your device repaired, buy a product, or sell your device. It's pretty simple. You click one of these and it takes you to book online. Actually, I think we had issues with the booking. Yeah, we had issues with the booking, which is one of the main reasons that we decided to make a new website. Booking is very important to us anyways. Okay, let's get off of there. So now here's our new website. It's very nice, elegant. Here you got the smart way to shop. You can choose our products to shop from. Here we got a prop in our store. You click on it, you can, if this was an actual prop, we'll have a description and everything. You can add it to your cart. I have something else in my cart. Just testing it out. Here you can choose if you would like to pick it up or have it shipped to you. Just for now, we'll choose pick up. You go through, you check out, you put in your email address. Let me just put in my email address. First and last name. And your phone number. And you can choose to check this if you want to. Click next. And you can choose when you like to pick it up. You can choose a custom time. Let's say we can do 4:15. Then you just insert your card information and come pick your device up when you want to. Okay, so let's go back to home. So next we got have your device repaired. You click here, it'll take you to a page where you can book now. You got all your options here. We haven't uploaded all of our repairs just yet, but all of the iPhone repairs are here though. And if you happen to get on here to book a repair or anything and you don't see your repair that you need, just click one of these down here. Just contact us and we'll get you a quote and we'll get you an appointment set up. Okay, so now going back to the website, we got you can sell your old device. You click here, you insert your full name, your phone number, email address, and your zip code, and a message letting us know what condition it's in, what model it is, and if it has any issues or anything. And you can choose to opt in to receive marketing and promotional materials, meaning that you'll get emails. We can send you a direct email when we get a new product in, such as a phone, or if a price drops on a service or anything, you'll get those emails directly. And then we have our about page, just a little about us. The 3 owners of Cells4Phones. We started operation back in our hometown in Crowsville, Missouri. We'll actually be doing lives on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel to talk more about this, how we started and where we are now. You also can choose to insert your email down here and you'll get more. Well, it'll be signing up for promotional, such as devices or services or whatnot. And that's about it. It's much more easier to navigate, and more efficient than our old website. Yeah, you can contact us, shop, repairs, home, and we might actually add a blog section in on this just to talk about how we started a little more. Yeah, but that's about it. It's very easy to navigate and very efficient. So check it out when you get time. Hope you all like our new website, the new design. I really like the black. I like the font. I like it. Let me know down in the comment section if you like our new website. We'll see you guys later.